Wow, thank you so much for all of your support and all of your messages. I feel very touched right now.
Thank you very much. We also had a lot of emails sent in, a lot of messages. So Kevin, would you mind reading?
All right, we've got a message from Angie Quajas. I wanted to say that I'm so sorry for the families and all the people who are still missing. We, all the Peruvian people, have those families, kids, teens, teachers in our hearts and prayers from far. We are supporting all of you in this hard moment. Pray for South Korea.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And right about now, we're going to go ahead and meet some of those people who sent in their messages from all around the world.
All right, let's take a look.
All right. Hello.
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 How are you? Amy, is that right?
Yeah.
All right,
Hello.
Amy from Malaysia.
Hi, you sent us a
Hi.
message of condolence for those affected by the tragedy even before we even asked for them. So how did you come to send the message?
Actually, I stumbled across ASC Twitter about you are compiling a message for those who are affected by the Seoul ferry. So it's kind of like reminds me to similar things that happened a few months ago in our country, which is the missing flight of MH370.
Yes.
So I'm kind of like feeling the same thing when this thing happened. So I decided to write a poem for all of you guys.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. So Amy sent us a poem, and I think it would probably be better if you read us your poem than us reading it. So
All right. Can we
would you
hear
mind
that
reading
poem?
the poem for us?
Yeah, sure. Okay, the title will be Hope.
Hope.
Okay.
Okay. News are buzzing around like bees as we wait patiently. I'm screaming your name again and again, hoping that you scream my name back. This bed is empty without you on it. This heart shall never be fixed until you are here with me. Tears won't stop rolling on these cheeks like there's never end. As long as the sun shines above the sky, my hopes won't ever dry. Okay, that's it.
Wow, that's a very beautiful poem.
Thank you.
Wow.
All right, thank you, Amy. We can definitely
you.
feel the sincerity in your poem and through those words.
Yes, and we'll continue to pray for Malaysia and for the flight as well, Amy. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much
Thank
for
you
hanging
so
out with us,
much.
Amy. Thank you for sending it in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so the next thing we have prepared, we actually could not get her on Hangout, but we had
Okay.
Cassandra from Texas
Yes.
who sent us a picture. So there's also a description that they sent with this, and I'll go ahead and read this for you guys.
Okay.
Honestly, I didn't know what to sketch till this came in mind. Opened hands as if praying and holding the boat in the palms. The water slipping through the fingers and the hands show the water being drained. The hands represent everyone who is praying, and the boat is those who were on it. And then the water is represented of the tears that are being shed by those whose family and friends were on the ferry. Though this isn't the best sketch or drawing in the world, this is the most I can do to show that I will have South Korea in my prayers and in my heart.
Wow.
Well, Cassandra, thank you for this beautiful, beautiful drawing. I think we both and everybody who sees it can definitely feel the emotions and the thought that went into it. So thank you for sending that in.
Thank you so much.
All right, and next up we have a Hangout. I think we have someone who wanted to convey a message to everybody in Korea. So can we get connected to Sheila Johnson from the USA?
Hello, Sheila.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Good, good. Sheila, what kind of job do you have?
I'm a secretary and a heart monitor tech at my local hospital. So I took some time off today so I could be here with you.
Oh,
well,
okay.
thank you.
Thank you so much for
joining
spending
us.
time with us.
Thank you also for sending in a message of support. We heard that it was very, very touching. So can you read us the message that you sent in yourself personally?
I can. There are not enough words in any language that can convey the pain, the victims, the families, the rescue workers, and all of South Korea must be feeling. All I and the rest of the world can do is watch, hope, and say, we are with you. Too many lives lost and so many of them young. I'm so sorry. I send my heart to all those affected. I am definitely praying for South Korea.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, Well, Sheila, thank you for having Korea and all those affected in your heart and in your minds. We really appreciate the prayers and the condolences. And I think your words that you just shared with us definitely hit something in a lot of people's hearts. So thank you so much for joining us, Sheila, and we'll hopefully talk to you again soon. All right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. We'll be back after a short break with the music video, so please be sure to stay tuned on this continued special.
하얗게 피어난 얼음꽃 하나가 달가운 바람에 얼굴을 내밀어 아무 말 못했던 이름도 몰랐던 지나간 날들의 눈물이 흘러 차가운 바람에 숨어있다 한 줄기 햇살에 몸 녹이다 그렇게 너는 또 한 번 내게 온다 좋았던 기억만 그리운 마음만 네가 떠나간 그 길 위에 이렇게 남아 서 있다 잊혀질 만큼만 괜찮을 만큼만 눈물 머금고 기다린 떨림 끝에 다시 나를 비우리라 사랑은 피고 또 지는 타버리는 불꽃 빗물에 젖을까 두 눈을 감는다 어리고 작았던 나의 맘에 눈부시게 빛나던 추억 속에 그렇게 너를 또 한 번 불러본다 좋았던 기억만 그리운 마음만 네가 떠나간 그 길 위에 이렇게 남아 서 있다 잊혀질 만큼만 괜찮을 만큼만 눈물 머금고 기다린 떨림 끝에 다시 나는 넌 메말라가는 땅 위에 온몸이 다 들어가고 내 손끝에 남은 너의 향기 흩어져 날아가 멈춰가는 너의 손을 붙잡지 못해 아프다 살아간 만큼만 미워했던 만큼만 먼 날 너를 데려다 줄게 봄이 오면 그날에 나 피우리라 라라라라라라라